Welcome back to another episode of How Jen Cleans Her Trailer.
Oh boy.
Next, I'm going to show you my fancy new mop that I got.
Oh yeah.
Come with me over here. It fits snugly between the queen bed and the banquette.
Snugly?
Slides right out. Look. Fits perfectly.
Where?
You would never know. Underneath is a mop pad, and it also comes with 2 dusting pads. There's 2 of each of these. All you do is throw them in the washing machine with detergent only, no fabric softener, and drip dry.
2? You get 2? Oh my gosh, you get 2. Wait. I'm sure it's in the paper somewhere where they...
The mop is
headlines.
so easy. You just add a small amount of water, wring it out, and there's antimicrobial something
Now
woven
we're using
into the
big
fabric.
words, antimicrobial.
So this is chemical-free cleaning. And it just-
Chemical-free
So
antimicrobial.
easy. With the swivel head, it gets under every single surface.
I get in trouble for my swivel head.
Even the most annoying and dirty of them all. When I'm done, I just remove the pad, throw it in the laundry, and put this back away. Look how easy it slides into the space between the banquette
It's my favorite part,
and the
putting it
queen
away.
bed. And I'm done cleaning my travel trailer.
Probably disturbed.
Goodbye.